I'm Dr. Neena Samdani, and today we are going to discuss on safe way of coughing and sneezing. Excuse me. So now I have coughed and sneezed on my sleeve. The germs are lying here. They are not on my body. They are not having the food of my sweat and blood. And so they are drying away. They are becoming thin. They are becoming dehydrated. And they are dying. What if I have a lipstick and I don't want to dirty my sleeve? So cough on your wrist. Take a tissue paper, wipe it off, throw it in a closed dustbin and wash this area with soap and water. Excuse me. I have coughed and sneezed by covering my nose and mouth into a tissue paper. Throw this tissue paper in a closed dustbin and wash your hands by using with soap and water using the 7 steps of hand hygiene as seen in the video Perfect Handwash. Now I'm safe. Do not cough in the open or do not cough on a napkin, because with this napkin again you are transferring the germs to your hands or to your face, and once the germs comes on your hands, from these hands they can go onto your face, in your mouth, in your nose, in your eyes, to the children to whom you carry, to the sick ones whom you touch, to the elderly people, to anywhere, onto your pen, onto a glass, or onto a mobile phone, and into honey sweet money. So the germs are all here, ready to come to you and ready to go to others. Once the germs comes to you and they are inside your system, the germs are having a nice party time. Yes, let's drink the blood and let's eat the tissues, and your immunity is going down and then you fall ill. So choose the way how you cough and sneeze, and choose the proper way of hand hygiene so that you and your loved ones stay safe. Yes!